Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching 5 powerful websites you need to know online on your PC or your mobile phone, and this is actually going to help you in different aspects. So first powerful website I'll be teaching you is this website that allows you edit your PDF and whatsoever. So for example, this is the name of the website here, simplepdf.com. As you can see here in the illustration, it's telling us that we can edit PDF or whatsoever right here on this particular application. So instead of creating an account, I'm just going to click on start editing so we can get into the process of editing our PDF. So I'm going to go ahead to open the PDF I want to open. So let's go ahead to take this PDF here. So DNA sequencing, I'm going to drag this and take to my Chrome. I'm going to drop this here. So then the next time we're going to find this here and we can start adding things to it. I can go ahead to add text somewhere I want to. Like for example, this here, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to come here to drop to text, and you can write drop here on it. So as you can see here, I can go ahead, I can edit the text I've placed there. So control A, cancel all your, you can drop the text any other place. So you can see, so I want to open the bracket here and say, so let's go back there. So I want to open the bracket here and say something else so I can put my text there. So as you can see, I've placed my text there, and I can go ahead to add more images to this PDF if I want to, by just going ahead to click on this plus sign and taking my picture. So let's see which pictures I want to use here. So let me just place this there. As you can see, on the fourth page, that place I have this picture next. So as you can see, then once you're done, go ahead to click on download. So once I have my PDF downloaded, I can open it and let's see if I've edited that successfully. So let me check on my first page. You can see here, there is here. That's one change I made, and this other change at the end is this. So see, this is one website you can actually use to edit simple PDF right here. So don't forget that website. First is simple PDF editor. So that is it. That is it. Let's go ahead to the next. So the next powerful website is a website that can actually get you any kind of job you want right from your home. So if you're this kind of person that wants to work on your own actively, or you enjoy this kind of freelance stuff, this is the perfect website for you. So I'm going ahead to paste in this website URL here, and it says realworkfromanywhere.com. So realworkfromanywhere.com. So let's edit this, realworkfromanywhere.com. So once you guys can click on enter on this website, it's going to take you to this website here, and this website can tell you to work from anywhere job actually. So you're basically trying to work from anywhere, and you can go ahead to check for different kind of work. So you can see all works from anywhere, hiring AI talent for AI training, whatever. You can go ahead to view the job. So just go ahead to check what kind of work fits you. For example, senior full stack engineering internal tools, just going to check for your work category and the one that fits you, and you'll be able to get works from here, and you can actually just work from home. So I don't actually really need any kind of work, or you can go to find work and work category. So what kind of category do you want? Customer support? Click here, and it's to take you to customer support kind of job, and you can just go ahead to work from home. So this is it. This is it. You can go ahead to apply for the job, and you'll be able to work from home. So this is actually going to tell you the responsibilities, the qualification you actually need, and the local preference to set remote, so you can work from home, and you have to apply for the job here, and you get paid by working from home. So that is very nice website which you can use to work from anywhere, especially from your comfort area, your home. So the third website that we will be going to, a very wonderful website, powerful website, is a website that is actually going to allow us edit pictures, or let's just say screenshots. So this is a website here. The name of the website is photex.com. So once you go ahead to your photex.com, you go ahead to upload your image, and let me drag and drop the screenshot I want to edit. So this is the screenshot I want to edit. And let's say those people that really like fake life, this is one for you. So once you're done, you're going to just drag this into the photex.com. So let's go. So this is the website, right? I'm going to drag my pictures into it, and you can see it's going to scan this picture, and you can go ahead to edit this file or this picture, something like that. So you can see here and stuff. I want to add a particular text to this one. This is how for text work. You can add a text to this here. So let's just go. So let me just go ahead to click on add text. So this is how to use it here. So I want to try to edit these payment activities here. I can go ahead to click a detected text box or image to edit it. So this is where I'm going to click here. I'm going to click on activity. I'm going to click here on the activity, and let's just edit the activity. So let's go again. So then we can put here and add something. Let's just put activity with time. So you can see I've edited this, and that is basically how to do it. And you can see this looks so real. You can go ahead to align the text well. So let me drop the size a bit, the font size a bit, so it rhymes with the other one. So you can see that is it. So that is it. That is it. And you can increase the weight and other stuff here. That's how to use this website. So those people that really want like fake life and putting things that are not there in a particular screenshot, this is what a very good website you can actually use to keep up that good work of yours. XD. So the fourth website I'll be introducing to you is talkcomments.com. So it's a fake website, a website that you can use to create fake comments on your socials, for example, TikTok. So sometimes you see some people posting a screenshot like, okay, a someone like a very popular person commented on the post, or it's an Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and so like again. So I just could make a fake screenshot or a fake comment that someone big actually commented on my post, and let's just go ahead to get the username. So let me try to edit this the username. So let's just say um, let's say my name is username is youngdon554. Youngdon554. Let's go youngdon554's comments, and who is let's just use Instagram or this. So let's just go ahead to comment, hey you done and stuff. Then let's go with the face random identity. So let's see a celebrity. So let's just go ahead to use a celebrity, Kevin Hart. I don't really like Kevin Hart, no. So let's just use XXX Tentacion if I'm going to find him here. XXX Tentacion. So okay, I think we should just go with a random celebrity, but I really don't know. Okay, Joe Biden. Mm, I don't know. I okay. Let's just go with Joe Biden. So that's it. So you can see I just have this, and people be like, "Oh, Joe Biden commented on this post," and so, but technically, he basically didn't do that. And when you're done, you just have to do export image. So let's say I want to make it. So I say, "Hey, you're done. I've got a surprise for you." So let's just put like this. I've got a surprise for you. So yeah, check your inbox. So once you're done with this, you can go ahead to download the image or export the image and then save it directly to your device. So then you can have something like this. Then you see most people placing this on their TikTok videos or Instagram videos that, oh, this person actually replied to my status or to my post or whatever. So this is very interesting. You can use the Instagram version or also the YouTube version and try to edit everything there, or also the X too. So that is it or whatever. So the fifth website I'll be showing you, and the last one is a very important website. Please, if you watch this point, try to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Let's go to the last website and final website here. So if you're looking forward to boosting your account, your social media accounts from, let's say, Facebook, Twitter, X, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, this is the perfect website you need to go to. And the website is gavingo.com. What you just have to do is to pick out the particular what you want to use. So let's say, for example, I want to boost my Instagram follow and something. So you say you have to fund your wallet before checkout and stuff. So you have to pay to boost your account and stuff. So depending on what you want to get, these are their plans here. They have three services available. Spam this, speed up to 50K. So just go ahead to read through this website and look for what exactly you want. This is Dante here. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye for now.